Tesla is currently testing its CBU route and bringing its vehicles from China to India. Plans for local manufacture has not moved forward due to the various reasons. Latest reports indicate that Tesla scrapped its plan. Multiple factors have been highlighted. The existing local supply chain and industrial base does not seem ready to support a Tesla Gigafactory. There's uncertainty about policy decisions which could impact business operations. Limited sales potential is another key. Global overcapacity could be a reason why building a new factory in India may not be the right strategy. As global EV sales have underperformed, Tesla's existing Gigafactory are operating at 60% capacity. Since there are signs of inventory buildup and major uncertainties, building a new factory will be quite counterintuitive. There's also high import duties in India. Tesla likes the idea of zero import duties as it suits its business interest. The Indian government did offer a massive reduction to just 15%. This costs with a clause of investing a minimum $500 million for local production. Tesla has argued against this and chose the CBU route. It's easy to notice there's limited demand for its car. Tesla started operation July 2025 to April 2026. They sold 383 units. Considering the global challenges, Tesla is likely to continue its CBU route for the Indian market, with possibility of opening new outlets in more cities and introducing new models. It's worth noting Tesla's paused its plan for a Mexico Gigafactory.